Hello beautiful, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I am going to share with you these 3 trending nail art designs which you can create at home without using any professional tools. So let's quickly start with our first design. First of all, grab your favorite dark color nail paint and apply it on your thumb, index finger and little finger. Then take any lighter shade you have and apply it on your middle finger and ring finger. After that, take any of your glitter shade and apply it on your ring finger. And now quickly create an ombre effect on your index finger. Don't worry, I will teach you how. Just apply a thick layer of glitter polish around your cuticle area. Then slowly drag the brush towards your nail tip. Repeat this 2 to 3 times to get this kind of effect. But don't forget to take breaks in between. One coat, second coat and third coat. Then take out smallest size of rhinestone from the box and apply it around the cuticle area of middle finger. Now just apply a top coat of your choice and our nail art is ready. So aesthetic, minimal and easy to create nail art look is ready. Let me know your thoughts in comment section. Okay, now we are going to create the most iconic look of this season, polka dots. Yes, you heard it right. But we will create it without using any professional tool. For the polka dots, I am going to use a U-pin here. You just need to follow a technique. Maintain a perfect space between all the polka dots. Apply a line in the middle and then apply rest of the dots in between the line you have created in the middle. I hope you got what I said. We will repeat this process on the middle finger and ring finger as well. And you know what? This nail art design has my heart. The color combination and the polka dots. Magical combination. You can use this polka dot design in multiple ways to create endless nail art looks. And after applying polka dots, let it dry and apply your favorite top coat. Secure your nail art and your nail art look is ready. You can create this look with multiple nail color combinations and you can also use toothpick instead of a U-pin. Use anything you have and create what you can, but it should be clean so that it gives professional and aesthetic look. I hope you are enjoying this video. If yes, then do like, share and subscribe to my channel. Now let's create our last nail art look without using any professional tools or household items, just using the nail polish brush. Take out 2 similar shades, one dark and one lighter. Apply light shade as a base color. Then take the darker nail polish, clean all the nail paint from the brush and then start creating strokes on your nails. This technique will create a very beautiful texture on the nails. Try this 2 to 3 times to get a perfect look. After that, take a nail paint of different family and start making swirls like this. You can also create half circle or any different kind of pattern you love the most. Wait, you don't need to apply any top coat on this nail art look because the top coat will ruin all the texture we have created on our nails. Just leave the nail art as it is and do let me know how many compliments you got for this nail art look. That's it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed the video. Do let me know which nail art look you created or liked the most. Thanks for watching. Bye.